Look here, a second Hofmann elimination reaction. Most important reactions. Hofmann's elimination reaction. Look here, Hofmann's elimination reaction here is simple. Look here, CS3, next CS2, next N, CS3 taken thrice, N plus I minus. Everybody, name of the compound here, a ethyl trimethyl ammonium iodide. Ethyl trimethyl ammonium iodide. What is this? This is the quaternary ammonium salt. What is this? A quaternary ammonium salt. Look here, a quaternary ammonium salt is heated with moist Ag2O. Moist Ag2O, AgOH. What is this? This is the moist Ag2O. Look here, moist Ag2O, Ag2O plus H2O, correct? Heating. Look here, this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. I minus is replaced by the OH minus ions. Okay, a nucleophilic substitution reaction here, a I minus replaced by the OH minus ions. You know here, a CS3, CH2, next N plus CH3 taken thrice, OH minus, okay, plus AgI, okay, silver iodide. Every name of the compound here, name of the compound, ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide. Look here, actually, a ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide, a crystalline solid. Look here, a crystalline solid is a deliquescent crystalline solid, deliquescent moisture capture, deliquescent moisture capture crystalline solid. Okay, yes. Everybody, as a strong base compound here, this is the strong base as a like KOH, as a like NaOH. This on heating, okay, this on heating on undergoes beta elimination reaction, undergoes a beta elimination reaction. Compound here, you know, a CH2 double bond CH2, name of the compound ethylene. Okay, plus everybody here trimethyl amine CH3, okay, N trimethyl amine. Okay, next plus, look here, OH and next H2O, beta elimination reaction to form the, okay, ethylene means corresponding alkene compounds. Look here, first all of you, what is meant by Hofmann's elimination reaction? Look here, a quaternary ammonium salt. A quaternary ammonium salt is heated with the moist, okay, moist silver oxides. It gives, everybody, it gives here a, you know, a quaternary ammonium hydroxide. A quaternary ammonium hydroxide is a crystalline solid. Okay, deliquescent crystalline solid means moisture captured. This compound acts as a strong base, as a like a KOH, NaOH. Okay, which on heating by beta elimination reaction to form corresponding alkene. This reaction is called as Hofmann elimination reaction. Hofmann elimination reaction. Look here, Hofmann elimination reaction. Look, everybody here. Look here first. Okay, what is this? This is the quaternary ammonium salt. This is the quaternary ammonium salt is heated with the moist silver oxide. First it gives quaternary ammonium hydroxide. Look here, quaternary ammonium hydroxide is a delinquent crystalline solid as a like a strong base which on heating undergoes a beta elimination reaction to form a corresponding alkene. This reaction is called as Huffman elimination reaction. Huffman elimination reaction. Okay? Yes. Look here, simple reaction here. Look here, a simple question. How will you convert ethyl trimethyl ammonium iodide into ethylene? Answer: a ethyl trimethyl ammonium iodide heated with the moist silver oxide. First it gives ethyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide, which on heating, okay, undergoes a beta elimination. To form ethylene compound. By the reaction is a Huffman elimination reaction. Everybody, second questions. Look here, a second question here. Okay. This is the most important reaction, a Huffman elimination reaction. Okay. Look here, second question here, like this. Everybody, compound CH3, CH2, okay, CH2 here, N. Here a CH2, CH3, next CH2, CH3. Correct? Look here, charge here. Means Thys compound. Look here, everybody, a Thys compound. 1 minute. A simple. Directly a CH3, CH3 means C2H5. Look here, C2H5, like this, C2H5. Okay, Thys, I minus N plus. Look here, name of the compound here, like this, N dimethyl. Okay, N, trimethyl. Okay, N. Next is the propiana. Okay, what is this? A propiana ammonium iodide. Repeat the name of the compound here. N, triethyl. Okay, propyl ammonium iodide. Repeat. N, triethyl. Propyl ammonium iodide. Reaction with, plus reaction with the moist Ag2O. Moist, correct? Ag2O. Here Ag2O plus H2O heating, like this. Look here, actually this reaction is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here a I minus replaced by the OH minus signs. Look here, in this reaction, in this compound, like this. Correct? CH3. 1 minute. CH3 here. CH3, next CH2, next CH2, correct. Next is the N, next CH2, CH3, next CH2, CH3, N plus, I minus, correct. Okay, here actually OH minus signs, and plus AgI compound. Look here, a name of the compound here, N. Okay, the CH3, one CH3. Okay, actually 1 minute, one CH3 here. CH2, CH3, correct. Next is the OH minus ion. Like this, OH minus ion. Simple like this, correct. Okay, N plus compound, like this, N plus. Look here, everybody, here, N, triethyl. Okay, propyl, ammonium hydroxide. Look here, this one heating. Okay, this one heating undergoes beta elimination reaction. Actually, the compound is a crystalline solid, deliquent crystalline solid, moist capture compounds. Strong base. Beta elimination, which is a more substituted carbon, also beta elimination. Like this. This is the alpha, this is the beta. Okay, beta elimination. Compound like this. more substrate, everybody, Sedgwick's rule. Everybody, which compound formed here? Which compound? Simple compound. Okay, like this. Which compound? More substrate, means like this. CH2 double bond CH2, correct, plus CH3 CH2 CH2N CH3 taken twice. Look here, one CH2 means here CH2 CH3 means C2H5 taken twice here, like this. Okay, here diethyl N-propylamine, next plus H2O. Look here, a compound is, ethylene compound. Compound is ethylene, correct? Yes. Look here, how will you convert? How will you convert a N triethyl, okay, propane ammonium iodide into ethylene? Reaction by Hofmann's elimination reaction. Okay, simple reaction. Look here, CH3 CH2 CH2N plus C2H5 thrice I minus. In this reaction, a first step is a I minus replaced by the OH minus signs here. Yes. But in this reaction, undergoes beta elimination. This reaction, everybody here, more substrate, here like this. 1, 2, 3, according to, it's Sedgwick rule. CH2 double bond CH2 H OH H2O, and remaining compound 1, 2, 3, correct? 1, 2, 3 means name of the compound here, a N-diethyl propanamine. A reaction is Hofmann elimination reaction. This is the most important reaction for a board examination. Okay, thank you.